The transfer window is officially opened, yeah. So today we are taking a look at free agents that your club might want to sign. At number 1 is Billiat. Yeah, Billiat last played for Kaizer Chiefs. He didn't accept their contract, their new contract, which he was supposed to take a pay cut, but now he's struggling to get a team. He trained with Cape Town City, but they didn't offer him a contract, so he's still struggling for a team. So I think right now he might reconsider to take a lower paycheck so that he can come back to football. At number 2 is Mpho, who last played for Kaizer Chiefs also. Yeah, he's struggling to find a team. He trained with SuperSport United, but they also didn't give him a contract. And then at number 3 is Ntsikelelo Nyauza, who last played for Richards Bay FC. Yeah, but they didn't extend his contract. And then at number 4 is Ebrahim Seedat, who last played for TF Galaxy. Yeah, he's an experienced defender. He's also a very good defender, so I think he will get a contract right now. Yeah, teams that are struggling at the back might sign him. Yeah, and then at number 5 is Philani Zulu. Yeah, Philani Zulu last played for Skukune United. Kaizer Chiefs player. Yeah, he's also a very good player, honestly. And then at number 6 is Thabo Qalinge. Yeah, Thabo Qalinge last played for Zulu. Yeah, he was released by Zulu. He's also struggling to find a team. And then at number 7 is Mlambo. Yeah, Mlambo is a very good midfielder. Yeah, I'm just wondering why he's struggling to find a team. Yeah, and then at number 8 is Nkanyiso Zungu. Yeah, Nkanyiso Zungu last played for Orlando Pirates. Yeah, they loaned him to Richards Bay, then he returned back to Orlando Pirates, and subsequently they released him. Yeah, and talking about players who were released, next player is Kamohelo Mahlatsi, who last played for Kaizer Chiefs. They also released him. Yeah, honestly, I think Mahlatsi is a good player. I think he can be a good addition for any team, like special teams that are struggling. Our last player on the list, our number 10 is Lehlohonolo Majoro, who last played for Zulu. Yeah, the veteran. He might be old, but yeah, he's still a very good player, Majoro. So yeah, let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of these players? Who do you think your team should sign?